CUBOT MAX 2, a large screen new phone launched by CUBOT in 2019. Firstly, the biggest features of this phone is her large screen. There is almost no difference in screen size when comparing with Xiaomi Max 3. Her large screen brings an unbeatable visual experience when watching videos or playing games, which is incomparable by a smaller screen. CUBOT MAX 2 is equipped with NT6762 chip, and Xiaomi Max 3 is Snapdragon 636. However, for camera, CUBOT MAX 2 has a better real dual cameras than Xiaomi Max 3. Photo taken by CUBOT MAX 2 presents higher image quality and more details, though both of them had an 8 million pixel front camera. A large screen phone must be fitting with larger battery power. The battery capacity of CUBOT MAX 2 closely follows of Xiaomi Max 3. As for the operating system, CUBOT MAX 2 enjoys a safe and clean operating system without any third-party app. Now, the price of CUBOT MAX 2 with 4GB and 64GB hasn't been announced yet. But one thing for sure, it will be superior to Xiaomi Max 3. Alright, that's all for today's comparison video. It's time to say goodbye. I hope that this video will be helpful when you buy new phones.